Hi guys, it's Angry Admin here, and a few weeks back I wrote an article how to run VxVerify tool for your VxRail cluster before upgrade, and now in this short video I'll show you how to do it. So let's start from downloading the tool. Visit my blog angryadmin at angrysysop.com. It's angrysysops.com, and go find how to run the VxRail Verify tool article, and then in this article you have a links to the versions, depends on the version of VxRail you're running. Let's click on the link, and this will bring us to the Dell website, and we need to put the credentials in. So give me a few moments. And now we need to sign in. Yeah, don't say the password. And you see it's downloaded. So now, once it's downloaded, you see the version is 8.2.0 already. And when I wrote article, it was a 6.2.4. So that tool is changed, it's upgrade every so often. So keep an eye on it. And now what we need to do is to transfer that file to our VxRail manager. So I'll be using WinSCP to transfer the file. Just let me log in. Okay, once we're in, now we need to transfer that file to TMP folder. So you click on TMP, and there's a bunch of the files. Don't worry. Now I just need to transfer that file. I download the VxRail tool to that folder, and once we transfer, we can disconnect from WinSCP and continue as a SSH session from PuTTY. Okay, we logged in as a Mystic to our VxRail manager. Now we need to change to root, and after typing the password, we become a root. And now we need to change mode on our VxVerify tool. So we use a chmod command to do it. And now let's execute it by typing Python and the name of the script. And press enter, and in a few moments it starts running, as you can see, and the minions start connecting to host, and we will see the result in a few moments. I will speed up the video a bit because all in all it took about 20 minutes to go through. But before I do so, please like and subscribe to my channel, and leave the comment down below the video. What do you think about it? Is that topic interest of you? Thanks. And unfortunately I have two failures. One is the vMotion, so we have to check what's blocking vMotion. But this BMC failure test timeout will be quite interesting. Also, I see 3 warnings like nested data center object found, and I can see that there is a password not set up, which may suggest that there's some communication issue. And also there is one VM with the ISO mounted. So I have to have a look on it, and I have to fix the problem. Once I fix the problem, I will run the script again. But for your information, this BMC problem, I know how to fix it. And if you are wondering what is it, and if you have something similar, watch the next video, subscribe to my channel because I will show you exactly how to fix that in the next video. So click also notification bell not to miss that one. Okay, thank you very much and see you in the next one. Bye.